The dust we saw in the air was truly extraordinary. And what was so interesting about the dust that we saw, first on March 15th and then on March 19th, was just how much it dropped our air quality, especially on the 15th. That's when the dust that moved in from the plains was able to settle down close to the surface, and we actually saw our air quality drop to the lowest ever on record, so the lowest since the 1980s. That means the air quality was even worse than when we saw those really potent wildfires to the northeast of us in Canada wrapping in smoke just last season. So let's go ahead and talk about what's going on with this. We had huge systems that picked up the smoke and the dust and rolled it into West Michigan, dropping the air quality. This doesn't happen often, but when you get a strong enough storm, it is possible. And upstream, we had wildfires in places like Oklahoma and Texas, so the environment was primed with fast winds at the surface to just pick some of that matter up. So the big question, how much dust settled in West Michigan? Well, I did some fast math with this, and of course I had to do some oversimplification, but if you follow along with me, 1 millimeter of dust weighs a very small but present amount, according to the internet. If we take that cubic millimeter and we multiply it by the area of West Michigan, which is just over 9,800 miles, that can give us about 125.16 metric tons of dust. Let's drop that by 65% because of unequal distribution, and you get about 81.35 metric tons, or roughly about 14 elephants worth of dust across West Michigan.